Hello students, how are you all? Today we will learn about the measurement of length. As you know, we can measure how long things are, how tall or far things are. These are all example of measurement of length. The standard unit of length is meter. We can find out the measurement, the length of small objects as well as the distance between two cities or two countries. So, let's start. First, units of length. The smaller unit of length is millimeter and the standard unit of length is meter and the larger unit of length is kilometer. We can write millimeter as mm, small mm, and centimeter cm, meter by letter small m, and kilometer by km. And 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So the smallest unit of length is millimeter and the larger unit is kilometer. Centimeter. We can find out the length of small objects like pen, pencil, book, and even the height of table in centimeter. In meter, we can find out the length of clothes, the length of clothes, even the length of room, the length of car. And in kilometer, when you need to go from one city to another, use kilometer to measure the distance. Because kilometer, as you know, is the larger unit of length, distance. So, the smallest unit of length is millimeter. You have seen this ruler in your box, and this is the ruler. Here, one side you can find out the centimeter, and the other side you can find out the inches. And when you see the centimeter side, you can find out that 1 centimeter is divided into 10 small lines, and these are known as millimeters. Okay, like this. This is 0 to 1 is equals to 1 centimeter, and one small line represent 1 millimeter. You can see this figure. These two red lines represent 1 centimeter, and in the middle this blue line represent half of this centimeter, means 0.5 centimeter, and these gray lines represent 10 lines per centimeter, means 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. So this one is ruler. If you want to find out the length of this pencil, put you just keep this pencil like this, start from the 0 and then keep this pencil And here you can see the length of this pencil is 7. Okay, you can see this arrow. So the length of this pencil is 7 what? 7 centimeter. And similarly you can see the length of this dart is 9 centimeter. And this leaf starting from 0 and end with number 5. Thus, the length of this leaf is 5 centimeter. Okay, so here one line is given and you have to find out what is the length of this line. So, put your ruler like this, start from the 0 and then you can find out the length of this line. And as the length of this line is here 6 centimeter. Okay, now this B, you have to find out the length of this line. So keep this ruler like this, start from the 0. Thus the length of this line is 3 centimeter. And one more, this line, you have to find out the length of this line. So similarly, you just put your scale or ruler like this and the length of this line is 5 centimeter. Okay, and some more example. This standing line, keep your scale like this, start from the 0 and thus the length of this line is 2 centimeter. And the length of this line, you just put your scale like this and the length of this line is 4 centimeter. So you can find out the length of a line by this ruler. And if you want to draw a line, like you have to draw a 5 centimeter line, you just hold this scale with one hand and draw the line 0 to 5. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter line. I think you understand now how to draw a line and how to measure line. So keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.